You've seen the destruction, the mushroom clouds, the automatic fire, the precision drones. But what if I told you the most lethal weapon ever created isn't forged from steel or fire, but from thought? Our ancestors didn't survive because they were the strongest. They survived because they were the smartest. The mind became the first battlefield, where fear met strategy and instinct became invention. From the moment we could think, we could justify violence. We learned to kill not out of rage, but out of reason. To protect, to conquer, to control. Every tool of destruction began as an idea. The spear wasn't just sharpened wood, it was a thought, a solution. The sword was strategy. The gun, ingenuity. The bomb, calculation. War was never just muscle, it was chess. The most dangerous generals were not the strongest, but the smartest. We built a device that could end all life, not because we had to, but because we could. Eventually, we learned how to kill, without ever pulling a trigger. Propaganda, espionage, manipulation, mind games that toppled empires and rewrote borders. The Cold War was won not just with nukes, but with ideas, secrets, and fear. Psychological warfare isn't science fiction. It's real. And it's more effective than bullets. Now the mind creates weapons that can think for themselves. Drones make decisions. Algorithms choose targets. AI watches from the skies. But make no mistake, these aren't autonomous machines. They're reflections of our minds, our fears, our priorities, our cold logic. What happens when we program morality into metal, when the next war is written in code? August 6th, 1945. One man. One decision. One moment of thought. In 43 seconds, the bomb dropped. In less than a minute, over 70,000 people were gone. It wasn't the weapon that made that choice. It was the mind. The bomb didn't destroy the city. The decision to use it did. The mind can create love, but it can also create horror. It can build missiles or medicine. It can design warheads or write poetry. The human mind is the most lethal weapon in history, but it's also the most powerful tool for peace. The question isn't what the mind can do, it's what we choose to do with it.